What does Johnny do? I didn't get to read it really.
He tracks footprints.
Oh, okay, there you go. Where do I start?
I think just out there like me.
Okay. Yeah, I'm working on the car. Right, real quick.
What? Oh, okay.
Let's play. It's time, Johnny says. I like the way he just walks all methodical and shit. Hey, this map's nice too. Damn.
Yeah, it is.
This looks beautiful out here. So I don't have any traps to set or anything, huh? I'm just gonna.
I do. No.
I might as well just head down there with you then, huh?
I'm in the house now.
I'm saying I might as well just go down there to Prince.
Oh yeah.
Might as well.
I'm collecting some blood for pops.
I mean, Cook is nice to have. I can put those locks down too, huh?
Nobody escapes me.
Yeah, that is true.
Why does Johnny sound like that? Deep ass voice. Oh, they're being loud.
I gave him some blood.
I'm gonna unlock his shit, man.
Stairs, yeah, they're coming up.
Lock already?
Hello there.
Oh yeah, I see him. I'm about to fuck him up.
Yep, there.
Come here, bitch. Swipe her. I'm in the kitchen. Yeah, right there. Yep, get her.
Got one.
Go.
Where you going, bitch?
Come here. Ain't going nowhere. I was in more. Smack them all. We're about to fuck them up.
Come on, bitch.
Hey, come on. Come on, Bubba. In this kitchen.
You know, lock that door after they get it open.
Oh, I got her. Ha! Damn. That was fast.
Got him.
Oh, this is the actual fucking house for one.
I'm feeding Grandpa.
The skulls from the movie. Actual crib.
Yeah, that one nasty ass room.
Red wall and shit.
Go ahead and feed Grandpa. We'll turn on the lamp. So, what we got? The rest of them downstairs?
My vial's cool.
Go feed him. A little bit.
He's hungry.
Can you not lock those doors, the slide
doors?
doors, after they unlock?
I don't think so. That'd be kind of fucked.
Oh, you could though. Is that only whenever we go down there?
It's those, we can lock those one doors. I think if we open it, like, and they don't unlock it. I think once they pick the lock, it's fucked. You think they're down here?
One of them is.
You want to
Yeah,
stay?
somebody's down there.
You
I
want
can
to stay
see the
down here? Or
thing
you
on
want
the
me to
door.
I guess I'm gonna go down
Don't
here.
matter. I'm patrolling. They're outside to this map.
Yeah, I started outside. Oh, I got one on me. Come here, Leland. He's stuck. Oh, come on. Come here, bitch. Oh, he's slamming doors in my face. I swiped him. Oh, he's getting away.
Close this.
Fuck him.
Turn my.
He got away. Crawling through cracks. I smacked him twice, though. He went that way, Bubba. This way. Can I emote?
Nope.
Yeah, he went that way through those cracks and shit.
That enemy right there?
Huh?
Destroy these obstacles here. I'm not hip with all these obstacles.
Footsteps right now. Oh, found him. Oh, I can't crawl through. He's near me. No, fuck.
Where you at?
I'm right here. I gotta go all the way. Here, come destroy this. Destroy this. He's this way. That's where I seen him. Hell yeah. Thank you, Bubba. Lead the way. Yeah, you went this way.
Fucking small crab. It's starting.
I don't know where this son of a bitch is. Oh, I found him. Ha! I'm on him. He's running. He's fast as fuck. He's crawling through a space.
I see him out here.
Just destroy it.
Closing it. Somebody near
Right
him.
out here, Connie. Oh, it's
That's
a different
Leland.
bitch.
I'm on. Yeah, I was chasing Leland. Smacked him like 3 times already.
Connie's running in the house.
Where did you go?
I'm on him. Haha, come here, Leland. No. Oh, he's
Ran
fucking
in
floored
here.
me. He's on me. You're gonna pay for that, bitch. Oh no.
Upstairs.
I smacked him again. And again. Oh, I got him. Oh.
Bitch, I can crawl too.
Yeah, fuck you, Leland. Thought you were gonna get away.
You got hurt a bitch. Where the fuck?
No, give me a damn door. Oh, here we go. Coming.
Just collecting blood out here.
Close this shit. Alright, where's she at?
I don't know.
I'm gonna give Grandpa some blood, I think.
She may have one. No.
I just gave him a good old
Downstairs.
46.
Oh, she go out this back door?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh shit. We need to come get her. She'll probably find a way out then. Checking these bushes. Oh. Bitch.
Oh fuck, she's right here.
Where?
Me?
Outside or inside?
You're upstairs?
Inside.
Well, this shit got open then. Coming.
Coming in.
I should go feed Grandpa, huh? How close is he? Where can you tell?
I'll feed him. I'm right next to him.
Oh, I got a full vial. Damn. Damn. Somebody fucked Sonny up back here, huh?
Uh-oh, I got her with my trap.
I hear her screaming.
Where is it?
Right here.
Hey, bitch.
Ooh, all these
On me.
crack spaces.
Near the back door.
Yeah.
And still in the house, so running around. Slashed her up. Oh, got it. She was low. She dead. Hell yeah.
No.
Caught a few bodies that game.
Oh God.